In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Notion. Welcome back, and thank you for being here. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a simple and practical way to add background color to your text in Notion, helping your notes look more organized, more visual, and easier to read. Adding background colors is a great way to highlight important information, separate sections, or draw attention to key details without making your page feel cluttered. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently customize your text and improve the overall look of your workspace. To begin, make sure you are inside your Notion page. Once you are ready, start by typing anything on the page. It can be a single word, a sentence, or even a short paragraph. This text will serve as your example so you can clearly see how the background color changes once it is applied. The content itself does not matter, so feel free to use a placeholder if you like. After typing your text, the next step is to highlight it. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the text. If you want to select everything on the page at once, you can also use the shortcut by pressing Ctrl and the letter A. When the text is highlighted, Notion understands that this is the content you want to modify. With your text selected, look toward the right side of the formatting menu and click the three dots. This opens additional formatting options that are not always visible at first glance. From this menu, click on the option labeled Color. This is where you will see different choices for customizing your text. Inside the color menu, you will notice that you have two main options. You can change the color of the text itself, or you can change the background color behind the text. To change the background color, simply choose one of the background color options. As soon as you click on a color, the background of your selected text will update instantly. This feature is especially useful when you want to emphasize reminders, mark important notes, or visually group related information. You can experiment with different colors to see which ones work best for your layout. Lighter background colors are usually easier to read, especially when paired with darker text. If you ever want to change the color again, or remove it entirely, just highlight the text, open the color menu, and select a different option or return it to the default style. You can repeat this process as often as you like across your page. Using background colors thoughtfully can help create structure, improve readability, and make your Notion pages feel more polished and intentional. Small visual changes like this can have a big impact on how easily you understand and navigate your notes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.